tamales. So Hillary is making a nice breakfast today. Hillary is a chef. Made some huevos right here. Some pan, some aranga. We're ready to get some of that grub. We're gonna eat over here in the balcony. We comer aquí en la patio hoy. I was trying to take some pictures. So we are headed to the Waterfalls, which are about 1 hour from Pereira. It's called Santa Maria or Santa Rosa Termales. It's very popular. It's supposed to have like a hot spa or something, but the weather is not working with us. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, but we're gonna try in Tintad. We're gonna try. So hold up. All right, so we're coming over here and it is a rough ride, bro. I'm on a stabilizer, so you can't see how much is moving around, but it's a rough ride getting here to the tamales. So you definitely, I think you need a 4x4, but yeah, I see little cars running through here. I don't know, so Colombians are different, Like this one's a 4x4, I think, right here. There we go. That's it, right? Ooh, look, cafe up here. There's a little cafe up here. Look at that. A little cafe. You want a little coffee? You can stop here and have a coffee. Isn't that beautiful though? Look at those mountains. That's where we're going. We're getting there. Ooh, this shit's getting jumpy. We're getting jumpy, boys. That's exactly why I got that 4x4. They got some Bob cycling up here too. Looks like they got some bikes for rent or something. Oh no, that's just a store with Gatorade. I like that motorcycle right there. That's nice. Yeah, I hear they're having some problems over here. Yeah, you can't go very fast here, that's for sure. They got all these little stores on the way up there though. I'll give them that. Alright, we're getting close, man. We are getting close. I see the buses up here. I kind of remember those buses when I came the first time. Like we got off and this is interesting. Yeah, we made it up here, man. That's cool. Alright, so we have a little bit of time, bro. A little bit of time here. Perfect though. It's just perfect. The sun came out. We're at the waterfalls. We gotta pay to get in. Huh? That's why I say don't smoke any weed, bro. It messes up your brain cells, man. This girl is off the chain, off the damn rocker. So beautiful. So we made it to the tamales. This is what we came for over here. That big waterfall. Now that water is ice cold, but I've been getting used to taking cold showers, so it should be all good. We're going right up there. Look at that. Alright, so I'm almost dropped dead right there down that waterfall. Look at that, bro. Look, that's what I'm talking about. That's where we're going, over there. Over here, I think you got some lockers. They're gonna take a shower or something, I remember. I think so. Lockers right here, you need 1 moneda, so 1 mil pesos. It only takes coins, bro, so you gotta use your coin. You can put your coin right in here like this, put it in here, then you take the key, sting it out, and get it like that. It's pretty easy, but you gotta have a little change. Plus you gotta have some cash because they have like a little restaurant in there. So you gotta have a little bit of cash in there, so you gotta bring, that's like $25 for me and that girl, because it might be expensive. Well, it's $25 to get in here, so it must be expensive. Wow. Nice and warm too. I remember this, man. It's nice and warm. Ooh. Yeah, that's just natural too. That's so natural. Ooh. This is so cool. Where's Hillary? Come on. Hey, come on. Yeah, come on. Hey, come on. Yeah, come on. How y'all doing? Grace. Yeah, you speak English? No. I thought you said. ¿Dónde es mi amiga? Chica. What are you doing? Come on. Oh, man. Pisces. Come on. English?
Yes.
What's your name?
Mari.
Mari. Mucho gusto. Alan, de Tejas, Texas. Very nice to meet you. All right, let's go see who else talks English over here. This Nina over here speaks English, I heard. Come on. Hey, oye, ¿tú hablas inglés? Oh, very nice to meet you. What's your name? Her name is Sarah. So my name is Alan. Very nice to meet you. How old are you? 8 años. Wow. ¿Vives aquí or dónde? Where do you live? Cartagena. Ah, es mucho calor. Ay, mucho calor. Joven. Bye bye. Here she goes.
Bye-bye.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
From Texas?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
From
Nice
Tex-
to meet you.
Where are you from?
We are from Colombia,
But what part? ¿Qué parte?
Bogotá.
Bogotá.
Yes.
Ah, muy frío.
Yeah, but I've been in England 24 years.
Oh, wow. They speak English very well.
2 brothers in the United States.
Wow. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Lois.
Normus?
Lois.
All right, Alan. Nice to meet you. He speaks good English. Inteligente. See there? Ah. Too hot. Okay, gracias. Mi amigo protects me. It's too hot. Ah, it is hot. Calor. This thing is so slow.
Reiteramos que las botellas
Uy,
deben
frío.
recordar que los alimentos deben estar ubicados sobre sus respectivas mesas.
We'll do it fast. Man. Nice. Have another pool over here, bro. What's up? We're about to get in that big waterfall over there. Yeah, we're about to slide down that son of a gun. We're gonna get over there, get underneath. It's ice cold too. That water is ice cold. Muy frío, demasiado frío. Let's get in there. Eres Lisa, huh? Wink. Recommended to wear some sandals, I think, but I don't really know. I mean, I see people wearing sandals, so we're about to see, bro. So, uy. Vamos. Cuidado, amor. Oh, I think, yeah, she's smart, bro. She went this way, look. She went this way. She's smart. She may be a weed head, but she's smart. Uh-oh. Here we go. Man, I only got one hand. Oh, I see. Man. Muy frío. ¡Ay, amor! Hey, no. Yo solo tengo uno, arma, no. No, dude, you cayó, no me. I only have uno. Woo! Ah, shit. Bro. Gotta get in there, bro. Oh, yeah, bro.
baño frío. Get in there! Just get in there! You gotta go. There you go! That's the waterfall! Get in there! Hell yeah! Yeah, you only live one time, bro! You're gonna leave it to the van! Hell yeah! Okay. No, ya, estoy cosa aquí. Ah, no. Así, perfect. Yeah, that's them. Besitos. Yeah. Joseph, habla Joseph. Ah. There you go. Este niño. That water is cold. Otro también. We gotta get in all those right there. It's mejor drink chocolate. Can't even see that shit. Oh, I don't even know how she got up there. Oh, that shit is slippery than a motherfucker. Alright, so we're about trying to get up there in this other one now. I don't know, bro. We can do it. We're gonna have to be cool. Nah, bro, we can do it. Thing about it, it's real slippery. Hell yeah! Did that shit! Woo! Yeah! Hell yeah! Joseph! Yeah, what's up, bro? Yeah, that's me holding this button. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah. There you go. Ooh, got somebody. You're welcome. I can't see him. I don't know. Woo! You gotta help everybody over here. Hey, they're coming up. Oh, there she goes, right there. Yeah! Like, aquí. Con la espada aquí. Mira aquí. Hell yeah, look! Woo! That is dope. Totally worth coming here, dude. Santa Rosa tamales, dude. Off the chain. Worth it. All that work, all that hours driving, definitely worth it. This experience, you know, I don't know, my life is dope, man. I do dope shit. This is dope shit. This is dope. Experiences, that's what life's about. Yeah! 60 aquí! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, exactly! Woo! the office, bro. Lived it up, living that dream. Telling you, man, my life was dope. Left the United States, never went back, don't want to go back. Hey, Colombia was shit. Oh, man. Bro, talk about a good time. That's a badass time in there. It's a little bit cold now. We just got outside that cold water. Frío, frío, frío. That hot water, it feels so good right now. It really does. Man, I gotta have it, bro. Get a little bit closer to this hot. That hottie, hottie, hottie. How y'all doing? ¿Cómo estás? Alrighty. Oh, man, that's gonna be good, bro. How y'all doing? ¿Cómo estás? Pretty good, thank you. Yeah, muy bien, gracias. It's good. Okay, better. Hey, bro.
Andrew.
Where you from?
Huh?
Where you from?
From the United States, West Palm Beach.
West Palm Beach, Florida in the house. What you doing over here in Colombia?
Visiting, I live here, but I'm going in July 7th.
Oh, you going back July 7th?
Yeah.
Oh, man, you hear that? Oh, Mama Russia. Your mama's from Russia?
No, my mom is from Colombia.
Colombia.
Yeah, this is my mom.
Oh, hey, nice to meet you. Hey, super chévere. No, cordio. My YouTube, for my YouTube. We're over here with some new Colombians right here. These are 100% Colombiano?
Yes.
Oh, he speaks the English now. I knew it. I knew he speaks the English.
I can start Malaysia.
What's your name? ¿Cómo se llama? Mauricio. All right. You too? John?
What's your name?
My name's Alan. Alan.
What?
Alan Jimenez. Soy paisa, 100%. I'm not
Let me show you something.
Hola. You speak English? No, nobody speaks English around here. ¿Quién habla inglés? Okay. Hey. Oh, he speaks the good English.
He is my son.
It's your son?
Yes, my son.
I thought it was hermanos.
My daughter.
Wow. ¿Tú hablas inglés también?
So look, this is my auntie Katerina.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Soy Alan, mucho gusto. ¿Tú vives en dos izquierdas? ¿Tú también? Ya, yo vivo allá, en finca. Ajá, en la manzana. Muy súper.
Pero que no pensemos que yo vivo. ¿Dónde me conoces?
Ya. ¿Tú sabes? No, yo no sé, yo soy muy nuevo aquí. Yo estoy aquí por un mes. Pero en 2 cuadras. ¿Tú sabes la gas? Es una estación de gasolina.
La estación de gasolina.
Ah, tú sube la manzana por 15 minutos. Ya. Yo vivo allá. Hey, Catalina. Hey. ¿Ella tienes novio? ¿Ella tienes novio? ¿Tienes novio?
No.
Oh, hell yeah. Soy Alan, mucho gusto. Un placer conocerte. Qué rico. Okay.
Yeah, para Estados Unidos.
Yo es muy joven, no. 40 años, es abuelito. Okay.
¿Cuántos crees que tengo yo?
¿Cuánto tienes? 23.
29.
Ah, hermosa. Perfecto. Yeah. Okay. Escucha bien. Sounds good. Catalina y Alan. Por vida. Para vida. Yeah. What's your name? ¿Cómo se llamas tú? Angélica. ¿Y cuántos años tienen? 40. 40. Ah, es mismo de mí. I know.
No, 40.
I am 4. You're 4.
40. This is no.
¿Te gusta aquí Colombia? ¿Te gusta? Ah, sí. Ah, yeah. Mira, beso. Yo espero por un beso. Okay, I'm gonna get jump. I'll see y'all later. Ciao, Kurusan. Ciao. Oh, the nueva amiga. Lani, right, bro? It's nice over here. I'm glad I brought this GoPro over here. From Fort Lauderdale.
Well, guys, I appreciate you tuning in to ColombiaTips.com. Hope you liked the video. Hope you find some informative information. If so, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, because every single day for the next 60 days, I am sending out valuable information. See you on the next one.
That people don't know about this, right?
Exactly.
So what made you guys? I'm from here. This is my nationality.
How do you like it here? What is the difference between here and Miami?
The difference here is because it's more beautiful. It has mountains.
Oh, she likes the mountains. Me too. I like the mountains. I like the nature.
And then I like the closeness sometimes.
Okay, good. But the school is better over there, I'm sure, huh?
We have a farm full of dogs.
Oh.
And there's one big golden retriever.
A pit bull. A golden retriever. Here he goes. Oh, here he goes. The senor. There he goes. You're from Miami too? Oh man, everybody's in Miami. I'm going home with y'all.
Yes, yeah.
That's cool.
We'll give you a spot for the plane.
Exactly.
Were you born in Miami? I didn't got to do anything for him. I got to do anything for him.
Yeah.
I did him, and I brought him to Colombia.
Oh, that's right.
That's how he knows Colombia.
No, might not let you go. Yeah, stay in Colombia.
She moved to the United States.
Have you been to Medellin yet? Oh, you gotta go to. I live in Medellin.
Oh,
Yeah. That's there. Should go check that out.
We were there last October.
Oh yeah, it's nice there too. It's beautiful.
This is better though.
But if you go to Medellin, it's the best in my opinion. I've been here like so long.
My mom moved to the United States because she
Okay.
wants my brother and me to get born there.
Oh yeah. This is gonna be so nice. Catalina de Boscardes.
Caterine.
Ajá. La reina de Colombia. Bienvenido a la orden. I think I hear Americans over here. Are you guys American?
Yeah.
I'm from America too. How y'all doing? I'm Alan. Nice to meet you. I was like, I didn't know, man. What's going on? Where y'all from? You're French? Parlez-vous français? That's the only shit. That's the only thing I know. Et oui. Nashville. I'm from Texas. I'm from Houston.
Oh, really?
How long y'all been here?
I live in Dallas.
My new people, man. 2 days?
2 days, yeah.
Y'all been to Medellin?
No, not yet.
That's where I live. Man, y'all gotta go over there, man. It's awesome.
We're going there next.
You gotta go check it out. You're gonna go tomorrow? Oh man, you're gonna love it, Medellin, dude.
Are we on?
Yeah, we're on right now. What's your name, bro?
Hi, I'm David.
How do they find you on the Instagram or whatever?
David.might.
Okay. How do you spell might?
M-I-G-H-T.
Okay, David.might. How about you?
Hit the like, subscribe
Sarah
button.
Lynn Abbott.
How do they find you on the or whatever, Instagram or whatever you got?
Literally my name, at Sarah Lynn Abbott.
Okay, Sarah Lynn Abbott. You got that, folks. Give us a thumbs up.
So many followers.
Oh yeah. This is where you get all the food right here, bro. So what I got is a steak, a chicken, 2 soups, 2 drinks for $25. It ain't bad, bro. It ain't bad. That's the meal. It ain't gonna hurt you. Oh, and I got 6 empanadas too. It's all coming out right now. And I got some change coming too. Man, I had a fantastic time here at the Waterfalls of Santa Rosa in Colombia. So do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell to let me know you like these type of videos so I can keep putting them out there. See you guys on the next one. Stay safe in Colombia.